Hindi na talaga marunong mahiya si Senator Alan Peter Cayetano. Daig pa ang Great Wall na sinasamba niyang Tsina ang kapal ng kanyang muka. He has the audacity to preach about being diplomatic regarding the West Philippine Sea, yet where was this restraint when his former boss, Rodrigo Duterte, was cursing the US President, the European Union, the Pope, and the United Nations? At bago siya magturo ng proper conduct, nasaan ang proper conduct nung minumura niya si Senator Mig Zubiri sa session hall ng Senado? Gross double standards on propriety, no? It applies to Tariela, pero it doesn't apply to him at hindi rin nag-a-apply sa bastos at walang modo niyang boss na si Rodrigo. Remember, Alan Peter is the biggest defender of Rodrigo's foul mouth. Teka nga, nasaan na nga ba ang pinangakong 10,000 ayuda nitong sinungaling na ito? If he can effortlessly lie to the faces of struggling Filipinos about financial aid, just to get votes, why should we believe a single word he says? If he can claim that he is the ambassador of Jesus Christ, while he enables the murder of the most vulnerable of our people, Alan Peter is showing himself to be beyond redemption. Malinaw pa sa sikat ng araw, hindi dignidad ng Pilipinas ang ipinaglalaban niya sa Senado, kundi ang interes ng China. This is a textbook example of China's elite capture strategy, a sinister long-term game where they co-opt influential leaders to serve Beijing's interests from within. Senador Alan Peter, you are a disgrace and it may be asking for too much na sana kainin ka ng konsensya mo, kaya lang, sad to say, wala ka naman nun. Agyamanak, Attorney Dino De Leon po at dapat patas sa batas.